The power of saving, even pennies count. Saving money is crucial. It's not just about putting away large sums, it's about the habit of saving itself. Every little bit adds up over time. It's about taking control of your finances. Even small amounts matter. When you start saving, you begin to understand the value of money and how it can work for you. Imagine saving just $5 a day. It might not seem like much, but over time, it accumulates into a significant amount. That's $150 a month. In a year, that's $1,800. Think about what you could do with that money. Now picture that money growing over time. With the power of compound interest, your savings can grow exponentially. It's like planting a seed and watching it turn into a flourishing tree. It becomes a powerful tool to achieve your financial goals. Whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or simply having a safety net, your savings can make it possible. Don't underestimate the power of small savings. Every penny counts. When you save consistently, those pennies turn into dollars, and those dollars turn into financial freedom. By making saving a habit, you gain financial security. It's not just about the money, it's about the discipline and the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're prepared for the future. You also gain peace of mind. Knowing that you have a financial cushion can reduce stress and allow you to enjoy life more fully. Remember, wealth is built one step at a time. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about building a solid foundation for your future. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your savings grow. Over time, you'll be amazed at how much you've accumulated. It's time to take charge of your money and create a brighter future. Start saving today. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step now and secure your financial future. Setting up a budget is a great way to start. It helps you track your income and expenses, ensuring that you live within your means and save for the future. Set realistic savings goals. Whether it's a specific amount each month or a percentage of your income, having a target can keep you motivated. Celebrate your milestones. Every time you reach a savings goal, take a moment to acknowledge your achievement. It will encourage you to keep going. Remember, saving isn't just about depriving yourself. It's about making sure you can enjoy the things that matter most to you, like a family vacation or a special purchase. Once you have a solid savings foundation, consider investing. Investments can help your money grow faster than a traditional savings account. Consult with a financial advisor to explore your options. They can help you create a plan that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Educate yourself about personal finance. The more you know, the better decisions you can make about your money. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account so you don't have to think about it. This ensures that you save consistently. Regularly review your progress. Check your savings and investments periodically to make sure you're on track to meet your goals. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're building a secure financial future. Every penny you save brings you one step closer to financial freedom. Write down your financial goals. Having a clear vision of what you want to achieve can keep you focused and motivated. Remember, every little bit counts. Start saving today and watch your financial future blossom. Embrace the 30-day rule, curb impulse spending. Impulse buying can derail your budget. The 30-day rule is a simple but effective solution. Want something you don't absolutely need? Wait 30 days. During that time, consider the purchase. Do you really need it? Can you afford it? Often the urge to buy fades away. If you still want the item after 30 days, evaluate your budget. Can you buy it without going into debt? If not, keep saving. This method helps you make conscious spending choices. It's a powerful tool for building better financial habits. Say goodbye to buyer's remorse and hello to financial freedom. The cash envelope system, your budget's best friend. Budgeting can be a challenge. The cash envelope system simplifies it. First, determine your monthly expenses. Then, allocate cash for each category. Label envelopes for groceries, entertainment, transportation, etc. Put the allotted cash in each envelope. When the cash is gone, spending in that category stops. This visual method helps you track spending and avoid overspending. It's a tangible way to stick to your budget. Try it and see your savings soar. You'll be amazed at how effective this simple system can be. Thrifting for treasure, discover hidden gems. Who doesn't love a good bargain? Thrifting is a fantastic way to save money. From clothing to furniture, you can find amazing deals. Check out local thrift stores, consignment shops, and online platforms. You'll be surprised at the quality and variety available. Thrifting isn't just about saving money, it's about sustainability. By giving items a second life, you reduce waste. It's a win-win for your wallet and the environment. So embrace the treasure hunt and discover the joy of thrifting. Meal planning magic can really stretch your grocery budget. You know, food costs can eat up a big chunk of your budget. The key to grocery savings? Meal planning. Plan your meals for the week and make a shopping list. This strategy prevents impulse buys and reduces food waste. Try to cook at home more often, as eating out frequently can get expensive. Explore budget-friendly recipes online, get creative with leftovers, and embrace batch cooking. Your wallet and your taste buds will thank you. Enjoy delicious meals and save money at the same time. Did you know that you can save money by simply unplugging appliances? Many electronics draw power even when they're turned off. This phantom energy can really add up over time. Unplug chargers, appliances, and electronics when not in use. Remember to turn off lights when you leave a room. Adjust your thermostat to save on heating and cooling costs. Small changes in your daily habits can make a big difference on your energy bill. Save money and reduce your environmental impact. Start making energy-conscious choices today. Do-it-yourself projects can save you a lot of money. From home repairs to crafting gifts, there's a DIY solution for almost everything. Explore online tutorials and unleash your creativity. Try repairing clothing instead of buying new. Repurpose old items into something new and useful. DIY not only saves money, but also adds a personal touch to your belongings. It's a rewarding way to be resourceful and save big. Embrace the DIY spirit and watch your savings grow. Free entertainment fun. Explore affordable options. Entertainment doesn't have to break the bank. There are plenty of free or low-cost options available. Explore local parks, museums, and community events. Take advantage of free concerts, festivals, and outdoor movie screenings. Visit your local library for books, movies, and more. Organize game nights with friends or host potluck dinners. Get creative and think outside the traditional entertainment box. You'll be surprised at the abundance of affordable fun available. Create lasting memories without overspending. Negotiate like a pro. Lower your bills. Negotiating might seem intimidating, but it can save you money. Don't be afraid to call your service providers and negotiate lower rates. This applies to cable bills, internet plans, and even insurance premiums. Research competitor rates and be prepared to switch providers if necessary. Politely express your desire for a better deal. You might be surprised at how often companies are willing to work with you. Remember, the squeaky wheel gets the grease. Become a master negotiator and keep more money in your pocket. Side hustle superstar. Boost your income. Looking for extra cash? A side hustle might be the answer. Identify your skills and interests and explore opportunities to earn extra income. From freelance writing to driving for a ride-sharing service, the possibilities are endless. Turn your hobbies into money-making ventures. Dedicate a few hours each week to your side hustle. Not only will you boost your income, but you'll also gain valuable experience. It's a great way to supplement your income and achieve your financial goals faster. Unleash your entrepreneurial spirit and watch your earnings grow. Financial freedom awaits. The reward of smart saving. Saving money isn't about deprivation. It's about empowerment. By making smart financial choices, you gain control of your life. Imagine being debt-free, achieving your goals, and living with financial security. That's the power of saving. It won't happen overnight, but every dollar saved brings you closer to that reality. Stay focused, stay motivated, and enjoy the journey to financial freedom. Remember, you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to, especially financial success. Start saving today and embrace the incredible future that awaits you.